With this, let us move forward. First, mouth or buccal cavity. Mouth helps to receive food. It helps to receive food. The importance of mouth, it helps to receive food. Buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. It's also called mouth cavity. This buccal cavity, the structure of buccal cavity is like this. You should write down this diagram. Yes. This is actually the mouth cavity. And this is called upper lip. Upper lip. And this part is called lower lip. And buccal cavity is decorated with the teeth. Okay, and there is at the back side there is extended skin which is hanging like this. That is called vula. And you can also see this is tongue. It's also called glossa, or it is also called hypopharynx. Tongue is also called glossa, it is also called hypopharynx, and if you touch the roof of your tongue, buccal cavity, it is with the hard pellet, or hard it is, hard pellet. And the space between your lip and teeth is called vestibule. What is it called? The space between the lips and teeth is called vestibule. And my dear students, this backside, posterior part of the oral cavity roof, see, if you touch the part which is top immediately below the nose portion, if you touch it like this, sometime when you are small kids, the chocolate, sticky chocolate may stick to that, then you used to put the finger and you used to remove the chocolate like this. Yeah, if you remember, that part I am telling. It has certain ridges. That hard pellet is having certain ridges. It is called palatine rugae. What is it called? Palatine rugae. That hard ridges is called palatine rugae. So, I'll write, don't worry, I'm explaining now. So, remember, buccal cavity is called buccal cavity because it is covered anteriorly by upper lip and lower lip, and the lateral cheeks are there. Hence it is called buccal cavity. Hence it is called buccal cavity. And my dear students, you can see that the both upper and lower surface, it has systematically arranged teeth. It has systematically arranged teeth, and the buccal cavity, it has a roof, and the roof is with the certain ridges, and those ridges are called hard palate, and it has a small hanging like structure that is called vula or small tongue, and the tongue is also called by a different name, that is called glossa or hypopharynx. So here you heard two words, that is called vestibule. What is that? Vestibule. It is, after drawing this diagram, then you write down at the bottom, vestibule, space between lips and teeth. Lips and teeth. Then palatine rugae. Palatine rugae. Dear students, it is ridges in the hard palate. Hard palate is called palatine rugae. Then lingual frenulum. Lingual frenulum. Muscular structures that holds the tongue in position. That holds the tongue in position. That holds the tongue in position. So, muscular structure that holds the tongue in position is called lingual frenulum. That's why our tongue will not fall down. That is because of lingual frenulum. So, these are the terms that you should remember. Then after this, we should concentrate on tongue. I already told you it is called glossa or hypopharynx. Glossa or hypopharynx. And this tongue has filiform papilla, fungiform papilla, foliate papilla. These are all the different types of papillae which we come across. One is called filiform papilla, fungiform papilla, and foliate papilla. What is the importance of these papillae? They are responsible to know the taste. They are gustatory in function. Helps in gustation, to know the taste of the food. They are gustatory in function. To know the taste. Okay? It also helps to mix food with the saliva. With the saliva. Then tongue helps in phonation. Phonation means what? Phonation means, is it phonation like this? No. Phonation means to speak, to talk, to convey the opinions of us. Tongue helps in phonation. Tongue helps in phonation, to speak. Okay? And tongue helps in deglutition. Write down all these points. They are all important for your need purpose also. Okay? They are gustatory in function, to know the taste. To mix the food with the saliva, of course it will do. Then tongue helps in phonation, to speak. Tongue helps in deglutition. Deglutition means swallowing. Swallowing is called deglutition. Okay. After this, we should know something about teeth. Okay. Human teeth, the diagram is not there in your text, but still I will draw that. Human teeth is like this. It has the following different parts. This is the crown part. What is that? Crown. And this is the neck part. And this is cement. And the shining part of the teeth is called enamel. Enamel is the shining part of the teeth. Then this part is called root. This cavity is called pulp cavity. What is this cavity is called? Pulp cavity. So, our teeth is having the following different parts, my dear students. Crown will be there, neck will be there, root. And in another interesting aspect is, you can see the shining part of the teeth, which is exposed outside, ready to crush the food. That part of the teeth is called enamel. The shining part is called enamel. The shining part of the tongue is called, teeth is called enamel. And teeth, human teeth, we should remember certain things in this. I hope you wrote this. Yeah. Human teeth is also called heterodont. Why it is called so? Different types of teeth, different types of teeth are present in human dentition, in human dental system. Dental system. There are different types of teeth. They are present in human dental system. Hence, it is called heterodont. Hence, it is called heterodont. They are incisors, it is for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars and molars for grinding. So incisors for cutting, canines for tearing, premolars and molars for grinding. Okay. And this teeth, human teeth is also called diffeodont. Because there exist two sets of teeth in the lifetime. What are the two types or two sets of teeth? One is called, they are deciduous teeth and permanent teeth. And permanent teeth. Decidual teeth and permanent teeth. What is this deciduous teeth and permanent teeth? Deciduous, I think you might have heard the word decidual leaves. The one which is going to fall down. So, decidual teeth which is going to fall down and it is replaced by permanent teeth. So, human teeth is also called heterodont, diffeodont and thecodont. Because it is originated from the sockets of jawbone. Teeth is originated from the sockets of jawbone. Hence, it is called thecodont. It is originated from the sockets of the jawbone. Hence, it is called thecodont. Now, it is called thecodont. In the exam, they may ask, write the dental formula of human. Write human dental formula. If they ask this question, then what should be the answer? The answer should be like this. Incisors 2 by 2, of adult. This can be asked for 2 mark. Incisors 2 by 2. No need to write incisor. I is enough. Then canine 1 by 1. What is this 1 by 1, sir? In the upper jaw there is one, in the lower jaw there is another. Canine. Then premolars 2 by 2 and molars 3 by 3. So in the upper jaw, one side of the upper jaw, 2, 3, 5, 8. 8 by 8 into 2, because I see, if you can't understand this, I will write like this and I will show. This is the mouth. Here the upper jaw, teeth of upper jaw. Here the teeth of lower jaw. If you make it into 4 parts, I am writing only this part now. I am writing only this part. Here, there are 2 incisors in the upper jaw, 2 incisors in the lower jaw. Incisors will be here, no? 2 incisors. And 1 canine. Here 1 canine, here 1 canine. And 2 premolars, 1, 2 here. Here also 1, 2. And 3 molars, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. So, into 2, why I should do? Because another side is there, no? I hope it is clear to you. I took that number count of one side. Now I have to count another side also. So, into 2. So, total in the upper jaw 16, lower jaw 16. So, it is not divided by, it is the number of teeth in upper jaw and number of teeth in lower jaw. So, total number of teeth will be 32. Total number of teeth will be 32. Dental formula of milk dentition, or another 2 mark question if they ask. Usually they ask this, okay? Write the dental formula of milk teeth. Milk teeth. So, incisors 2 by 2, canines 1 by 1, premolars 0 by 0, molars 2 by 2 into 2, that's equal to 20. 20. Which is absent there? Premolar is absent. In milk teeth, what is absent? Premolar is absent. So, we discussed about the mouth, tongue, teeth. The next part associated with the digestive system is pharynx. I will move to the next part which is associated with the digestive system, that is pharynx. Pharynx. Okay. Pharynx is the shortest part and it has cartilaginous epiglottis closes the glottis. It has cartilaginous epiglottis closes glottis. It has cartilaginous epiglottis which closes the glottis. Yeah. And esophagus. Esophagus. Its length is about 30 centimeter, 25 to 30 centimeter. It connects pharynx and stomach. Pharynx and stomach. It connects pharynx and stomach. And at the end of esophagus towards stomach, at the end of esophagus, towards stomach, there is a sphincter. What is that? There is a sphincter. What is sphincter? Sphincter means valve. What is sphincter? Valve. Which prevents backflow of food. I hope most of you are not clear with this, isn't it? See, this is esophagus and this is the stomach, and here is a valve, and this is called sphincter. Esophagus at the one end has sphincter, valve, to prevent the backflow of food. And another interesting fact, this esophagus shows wavy movement of food, and it is called peristalsis. Esophagus shows wavy movement of food, that is called peristalsis. Peristalsis. And next aspect is about stomach. We'll discuss it in the next class.